Hey everybody, you're probably wondering what the heck am I doing? Well, basically I thought it'd be good to show different things on how to get stains out. I decided that I'd do a will it come out? So this is at my personal house. I have lots of kids and I have no idea what this is. So we've got my spot out cleaner that I give to everybody for life if they buy a carpet from me. And we've got this, which has been here for weeks, by the way. I have no idea what it is. So basically what you do is you just put a little bit of this on. You don't have to get crazy with the amount. And then got one there. And we're gonna see if it comes out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this soak for a little bit. I'm gonna pause it. And then we'll come back and we'll see if we can blot it out. Sometimes it's good just to kind of push it in like that. If you don't like to touch things, you can easily use gloves or whatnot. Just want to make sure that gets absorbed in the fiber. Yeah, so we'll come back in a little bit and see if we can get it out. All right, I'm back. So wait about 5-10 minutes. And then it's good to get like a white cloth or a white paper towel and just blot it out. So we're gonna work on blotting that out. Don't rub in circles. That's bad for carpet because it's usually twisted. All right. Looks like it has all come out. I'll check it again here in a little bit. Sometimes you have to put a little bit more and then do this process one more time, but I think whatever that was came out. So again, we'll check it in a little bit. All right, it's been a few minutes later, just looking at it. Looks like it's coming out, so you might want to get just another paper towel, just blot it out again. But whatever that was came out. So again, this is spot out. We give this to everybody that purchases carpet from us. What I love best about it is it doesn't leave any residue. So I don't have to get water and rinse this out. And like if I bought this at, you see at the bottom it says residue free. I don't have to I don't have to rinse it out with water and it won't leave a sticky residue. That's why I love it. That's why we give it to everybody that buys carpet from us, and that's why we give you free refills. So round one goes to spot out, and we'll keep doing these experiments as I get stains on my carpet. Thanks.